Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these mince pie cookies. Let's begin. So to start the recipe you'll want to get yourself a mixing bowl and into it place the butter, the light brown sugar and granulated white sugar and beat them all together until they are well combined. Next you will want to add the egg and just beat that in until it's fully incorporated. Then you can go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can add in your dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first just to remove any lumps that may be in the dry mix. And also don't forget to add in your raisins and sultanas before you start mixing. Then you can incorporate all of the dry and the raisins and sultanas on a medium-low speed to start with, working up to a medium-high. So once you've got your cookie dough, you'll want to give it a good scraping down. Then you can start to scoop up your dough. So for each cookie you want to get 2 balls of dough, flattening them slightly, and then onto one half putting some of the mincemeat, and then just putting the one on as a lid to close it in. Then roll it between your hands and place it onto a baking tray. And you'll want to repeat this until you've got a full tray of cookies, which is around 6 for the tray I'm using. So before you go and put these in the oven, you'll want to flatten them down just a little bit and then use a cookie cutter just to round them off. I find this helps them stop spreading madly, as the raisins and everything seems to have an effect on how they spread. Once they're baked and out of the oven, you can then add a quarter of a mince pie onto the top of each one. And for one final touch, once they're fully baked and cooled, you could dust over a light coating of icing sugar like you would to the top of a mince pie, but again this is optional. So thank you all for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again in a couple of days with another video, so join me then. Don't forget that the month of December is Bakemas, where I upload more recipes that are festive themed, quick and easy for you to enjoy. So don't forget to check out the playlist. I will leave a link to that in the description down below, along with all my regular links from my blog and my social media, so don't forget to go and check them out. And that's all for today. Bye guys.